So let's go ahead and create a couple other KPI boxes. What I'm going to do is click out of this graph right here, just click somewhere on this blank space. What we want to see is how gross profit and sales have changed over the years. So what I'm going to do is click on, let's see, where is it? Right here. Click on the funnel chart right here. I'm going to move that up here and maybe make that a little bit wider. So let's just say that the first thing we want to do is look at gross profit. Well, all I have to do is under the values, so let me go to monthly report, because that's where the cost of goods sold is and the gross profit. So let me click on gross profit and drag that to the values. And you'll notice that it's just one giant bar and it's saying, okay, in total, from the beginning of time until now, we've done $705,000 in gross profit. Well, if I want to group it by year, all I have to do is click on year and drag that up to the group area. And now we see that the very beginning, that very first year, that represents 100%. And down here, we can see that in 2018, sales increased, or I guess the gross profit increased by 466% from that initial year. So that's a really cool way to look at our data is with these funnel charts. It's a great way to see the baseline versus where it is now and see what it went from and where it went to and how those percentages have changed. The next thing we can do is create a funnel chart with revenue. So I'm just going to click off of this, click on the funnel chart again, drag that up here, maybe make that a little bit larger. And now what I want to do is create a funnel chart based on the total sales. And I'm going to show you why in just a second. So under monthly report, I'm going to click on sales, drag that to the values. And just like I did up here where I broke it out by year, or I could break it out by category or whatever, if I want to do it by year, click on here and do group. And we can see that the sales start out right here at 100% for 118,000 in 2015, and sales grew to 496,000 in 2018. And that represented a 421% increase from that baseline of 100%. Now, where this is really powerful is we can see that gross profit increased by 466%, and revenue increased by 421%. Well, that means that our margins have decreased. Because if our margins decrease, that means that our gross profit is growing faster than our sales. So that's a good thing. We want our gross profit to be growing faster than our sales. That means we're using our resources more wisely and more efficiently. So that's just a very simple way to create these funnel charts right here.